In a world of endless distraction, genuine connection is more valuable than ever. We all crave deeper relationship, but how we truly master social connection. Building meaningful relationship the key to social mastery,
Friendship, partnership,
and trust that lasts a lifetime.
In an era dominated by screens, many find themselves adrift in a sea of loneliness. Constant notifications drown out genuine connections, leaving hearts heavy with despair. As society veers away from spirituality, the solace that faith once offered fades into obscurity. The echoes of laughter are replaced by empty scrolls. And in this digital maze, we often forget the warmth of true companionship and the divine presence.
master the art of connection, strengthen relationship, unlock a world of possibilities. Start today. Be present, be real, build connection that matters.